Hello guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best PC cases just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best PC cases to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started. Product number 1. Kediers PC Case ATX Mid-Tower. Using the Kediers ATX Mid-Tower has been a genuinely pleasant experience for mid-range gaming and productivity builds. The case comes with 4 pre-installed fans and 270-degree panoramic tempered glass, making it great for showcasing vibrant RGB builds while keeping airflow decent out of the box. The upgraded I/O panel with USB-C and USB-A ports made connecting my latest peripherals effortless, and the roomy interior supported all my components, including high-end GPUs and large air coolers with no trouble. The aesthetics are striking, especially the glass panels that let your RGB shine through clearly, though I noticed the airflow isn't quite as optimized as mesh front alternatives, so heavy thermal loads might benefit from extra fans. Compared to pricier brands like NZXT and Corsair on this list, this Kediers case delivers great style and function for the money, especially if you want a show-ready build without a high-end price tag. Product number 2. Corsair 4000D RS ARGB Mid-Tower. Building inside the Corsair 4000D RS ARGB was a fantastic experience and felt like a premium step up from generic mid-towers. The InfiniRail modular fan mounting system and frame modular design made customizing my airflow and lighting easy, and the 3 pre-installed RS ARGB PWM fans provided impressive cooling and looks right away. Cable management was clean and intuitive, giving my build a professional, uncluttered look without extra effort. I also appreciated the ability to support dual 360mm radiators for advanced cooling setups. Compared to the other cases in this group, the Corsair feels more refined and flexible, though it sits at a slightly higher price point. If you're after both performance and aesthetics while building a serious gaming or creator PC, this Corsair case is worth the premium for its quality and airflow performance that beats typical budget models. Product number 3. Montech XR-B ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Case. The Montech XR-B has been one of the most enjoyable cases I've used when building high-performance gaming rigs with large GPUs. Its full-view tempered glass and ARGB PWM fans look superb and add a unique wood-grain style I hadn't seen before, giving my setup personality that stood out. I was able to fit massive components like RTX class cards and a 360mm top radiator with no clearance issues, which is impressive for the price point. Cooling was effective once I tuned the fan speeds, though if you prefer quiet systems, you may want to manage fans manually. Compared to simple budget cases, the XR-B feels more mature in design and function, while still being more affordable than many premium brands. If your priority is style and performance cooling without spending too much, this Montech case hits an excellent balance and delivers features often found on more expensive models. Product number 4. Hyte Y70 Mid-Tower Gaming Case. I built a mid-tier gaming PC inside this contemporary tempered glass case and was impressed by its clean look and practical internal space. The large tempered glass panel gives a beautiful showcase to internal components, and it fit my GPU and CPU cooler easily without fighting for room. Compared with mesh-first designs, airflow was decent but not outstanding until I added additional high-quality intake fans. Cable routing channels helped keep everything tidy, even though management options weren't quite as refined as Corsair or NZXT cases. This makes the case a good choice if looks and component compatibility matter more to you than hardcore airflow out of the box. In terms of price, it sits comfortably in the middle of this lineup, offering better build experience and aesthetics than cheaper generic cases while still undercutting some premium models. It's ideal for builders who value a sleek display case for RGB systems without a steep price. Product number 5. NZXT H5 Flow 2024 Mid-Tower PC Case. The NZXT H5 Flow 2024 has quickly become one of my favorite cases for pure airflow and ease of build. Its ultra-fine mesh panels and perforated PSU shroud deliver excellent cooling, easily supporting powerful GPUs, and up to a 360mm front radiator while keeping temperatures low. The included 20mm fans and intuitive cable management made my build feel clean and well organized, even before adding extra fans. I found this case particularly impressive compared to others here when focusing on thermal performance per dollar, because it tackles heat much better than typical tempered glass-only cases. While it doesn't include bold ARGB lighting like some competitors, the airflow and build quality speak for themselves. NZXT's design made the whole assembly smooth and hassle-free, and for the price, it delivers exceptional airflow and professional-level build support that justifies its position among mid-tier PC cases.